Breaking news. Viewers, Hurricane Ernesto struck the British Atlantic territory of Bermuda early Saturday, prompting residents to take cover. The Category 1 storm was centered over the affluent territory at 6 a.m., with maximum sustained winds reaching 85 miles per hour or 140 kilometer per hour, according to the U.S. National Hurricane Center. The center warned of severe winds, dangerous storm surges, and significant coastal flooding. Bermuda was expected to receive 6 to 9 inches, 150 to 225 millimeters of rainfall, which the NHC indicated could lead to life-threatening flash flooding, particularly in low-lying areas. Due to the storm's large size and slow pace, hurricane-force winds were expected to last until Saturday afternoon, while tropical storm-force winds could persist through Sunday, according to Bermuda's government. Ernesto was moving north-northeast at about 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometer per hour. The storm also caused life-threatening surf and rip currents along the U.S. East Coast, which were expected to reach Canada later in the day. Ernesto is projected to be near or just east of Newfoundland by Monday night. Bermuda's power utility, Belco, reported that more than three-quarters of its customers were without electricity as of Saturday morning. The company declared an active state of crisis and noted that repair crews had ceased field operations due to safety concerns, with plans to resume once conditions improved. In anticipation of Ernesto's impact, Bermuda's officials had suspended public transportation and shut down the airport on Friday night. National Security Minister Michael Weeks warned, "Hurricane Ernesto poses a serious threat to our community and should not be underestimated." Bermuda consists of 181 small islands, with a combined land area roughly the size of Manhattan. AccuWeather noted that it's rare for a hurricane's eye to make landfall in Bermuda. Only 11 of the 130 tropical storms that have passed within 100 miles, 160 kilometers, of the islands since 1850 have made landfall. Despite its vulnerability, Bermuda's sturdy construction and elevation typically reduce the threat of storm surges compared to lower-lying islands. Ernesto had previously affected the northeastern Caribbean, leaving hundreds of thousands in Puerto Rico without power or water after passing the U.S. territory as a tropical storm. As of more than 2 days after the storm, over 180,000 out of nearly 1.5 million customers remained without power, and another 170,000 were still without water. The National Weather Service also issued a severe heat advisory, warning of dangerously hot and humid conditions. Residents like Andres Cabrera, 60, from the coastal city of Carolina, faced the heat without power or water, unable to afford a generator or solar panels. Cabrera said he found relief only from the occasional breeze. Officials aimed to restore power to 90% of Puerto Rico's nearly 1.5 million customers by Sunday, though full restoration had no set timeline. Of the 152 critical infrastructure sites prioritized for power restoration, 36 had electricity restored, according to Juan Saka, president of Luma Energy, the private company managing power transmission and distribution on the island. In the neighboring U.S. Virgin Islands, efforts to restore power were also underway, with 80% of customers back online. Ernesto is the fifth named storm and the third hurricane of this year's Atlantic hurricane season. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has predicted an above-average season due to record warm ocean temperatures, forecasting 17 to 25 named storms, including 4 to 7 major hurricanes. Thanks for watching Telecomrecord Entertainment, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.